water for that. Oh, hey guys, so today we're gonna be making binagoongan.
Binagoongan. Okay. Alright.
Sorry, I don't know how to say it. It's so hard to say.
What are your
I'm gonna
ingredients?
put this back. Okay.
What are your ingredients?
So our ingredients are pork ribs. It's sriracha, but we don't need that. We got ginseng bagoong.
Bagoong. It's a shrimp paste.
And then we got black pepper. We have tomato. We have some ginger. We got garlic. Make sure to get that. You can pause the video if you want to follow the steps and get your ingredients. We got garlic, which I don't like because the other vlog you saw my eyes water from the garlic, so. And then we got onion. I don't like onions too. Vinegar, if I said that already. And last but not least, calamansi. So let's get started by doing it step by step and then cooking. Okay guys, now so we added hot water into the pan. Oh, in case if you're doing this, please make sure to ask your parent to pour the hot water in.
Yeah. Okay, open that.
So you won't get burned. Oh, wrong one.
Always be careful cooking. Okay? Always ask parents to help you around.
Good thing my dad is here.
So we're going to boil the meat. Oh, that's a lot of meat, huh?
It's about to like flood.
So what are we going to add? We're going to add ginger.
Okay.
Ginger.
Ginger, all around.
Ano pa? What are we going to add more?
Garlic. Oh, black pepper.
Going to add whole peppercorn.
Little peppercorn. What's that?
Peppercorn. And then, where's the leaf? Where's the leaf?
I don't know.
And then, ano pa? I like to add bay leaves.
Bay leaves. My dad is getting it out from the pantry. I don't like the smell of that.
Where's the bay leaves?
I don't think we have any.
I'm going to add bay leaves.
Yep, bay leaves.
Okay. Sige na. Close
Wait.
them.
Can I have some?
Sama bango. Close. Smells good. That's it.
There.
And then we'll boil it.
Daddy! There's a lot of flavor coming out.
So we're going to boil that, okay? And then let's tell them see you later.
See you later.
Do you need salt? Salt?
No. You can.
Because you're gonna put a lot of bagoong. Okay, see you
Where
later.
did I go? Make it top. Make it top. Make it top. Make it top. That's a wet. That's a wet. Get up. Mop. That's a wet. That's a wet. Make it top. Make it pop. That's a wet. Get up. Mop. That's a wet. Wait, it's just an easy recipe?
Yeah, we just boil it and then we cook it again. separate this. You have to separate the meat and the soup. I'm going to use this later. And then get rid of the old peppercorn.
We're talking about my AirPod. Oh, hold on, I gotta turn off the music. Okay. So, next we're gonna boil these ingredients.
Turn on the stove first. It's not on.
This one.
The other one. Yeah. Turn it on.
Okay.
Make it hot, okay?
Okay. So we're gonna boil all those ingredients.
And fry it.
Yeah, we're gonna fry it.
Saute.
And the ones that you see in my ears, my mom just taught me those 2 days ago. I think it's my mom. I forgot how many days ago. So guys, sorry, but my dad just needed to pause the TV. He was watching this show called Company of Heroes.
Netflix.
Yeah, Netflix.
It's a war movie.
Yeah. So first, we need to warm this up. Make sure it's like at this much fire.
Okay.
But we're done warming ours up. So now we're gonna add oil.
That's it.
Okay.
First, what's your thing? Look at that. The garlic.
Is that the garlic then?
I put the onion first. Put the onion.
I'm gonna put mayonnaise just in case that's gonna splatter all over me. I don't like it when things splatter all over me.
Hold on. You gotta put this with the onion. Later. Onion.
So again, sorry I have to repeat this. When the onion is soft, then that means it's ready. So do other ingredients.
When you see it like shiny, it means it's okay. You can put the next one. This is the garlic and ginger.
I see the thing shiny.
Yeah. So I'm trying to add the garlic and ginger. See, it's hard to. It's hard to hold on staff if you have that meat in the kitchen. Mix. It's not. This one is just a
I'm gonna take off
small
my
oil you
AirPods.
put on.
Okay.
Next,
Next one.
kamatis.
Monkeys?
Yeah, kamatis, tomato. Yeah, tomato. Kung kaya tomato, it's called tomato, kamatis.
Ah!
Put that kamatis.
Okay. So once it's done, you can add the meat and then this one. I forgot what it's called.
Bagoong. bagoong. You can add your bagoong na. Put everything na. Pero mo na lang anak ko.
Ah,
Add everything.
make sure you mix it so it gets all over. And make sure you add the jam because this is hard.
Hard to mix? Okay, let me help you. Okay? Big chunk of meat. And after this, you can add the soup base. It's time to cook the bagoong. How do I go in?
You don't know where I am?
Huh? Where are you going?
You don't know where I am? I want the
So, now, then you can add the soup.
My dad's adding this. He has to do it for me because I'm too little to do it.
Okay? Then you can cook it like this. This is Binagoongan. This is salty food. It's cooked in salt. Little bit. Let's go over this one. Let it boil. Sili. Sili. See? Yes. What? Here, Pepper.
Okay, guys, so the meat is almost done. And now we're gonna add green onions. I'll see you guys when we get the green onions. Okay, my dad got the green onions. Why do you have to cut it?
Oh, I just got it then. So, well, look good and it tastes better. You garnish it, you know, all the time.
What?
This come in handy. We have a garden. We have green onions all the time.
Yep.
Always have a green onion that we use when cooking. Now it's time to mix it. Woo, that's good. Good. It's already cooked, guys.
And yes, you guys are in a tent.
We're going to eat this in our camping.
You're in an actual tent, guys.
We're going to camp. No. You excited? We're going camping? Okay, so this is cooked, guys.
We're done cooking it.
Turn it off.
Yep.
Just close it.
Yep. Woo! Sheesh! So
Sure, binagoongan. It's yummy. Is that the camera?
yeah, there's a picture.
I didn't know that you can do that. You're so good.
Yay, we're done.
Bye. See you next time for my cooking.
See you next. Okay, so guys, so see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. And
Alright. Follow us. We're going to our camping next time.
yep, follow me on TikTok.
We're going to do going to do a lot of cooking in camping
Yep.
too, right?
Follow my TikTok here. My
TikTok.
TikTok account is below here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
I'm going into the ocean.
Go! Hello
Hi.
and goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you in my next vlog.
Bye.